Ladies and gentlemen, this flight I'm expected to be 1 hour 35 minutes. Kindly make sure that your hand baggage is stored safely and has not blocked the aisle or emergency exit. Please switch off your laptop and place it in your hand baggage. You're welcome to use lighter devices.
Oh my gosh. What?
This our first trip together. Hey, everybody in first class. I thought he was giving us first class tickets, but he lied. What? We all the way in 38B. But at least it's our first trip. He's trying. Look at him. Aww.